When you have a direct variation, it would be y equals kx is the algebra way to do it, okay? So they're always going to give you a complete set of information. So let's say so I'm going to do this two ways. I'm going to do it using the kx, and I want you to do a few using that because you need to use that when it goes to jointly. You have to use that. So you need to be, have some practice with easier problems, okay? So the first way is just a basic proportion. What two letters are we dealing with here?
Y and K.
No?
Y and X.
Y and X, right? X and Y. So X varies directly as Y, and X equals 10 when Y equals 12. Find Y. So I'm going to put a Y here because I don't know it, when X is 32. You understand that? And what would you do? Cross multiply. So what's 32 times 12? When you divide both sides by 10, Y equals 38.4. When we use this equation, Y equals kx, we need to find a constant k. So in our problems, you're always going to get a complete set of information and an incomplete set of information, meaning these two go together. That's a complete set of information. You see that?
Yep.
Because they say X is 10 when Y is 12. The complete set of information is what you use to find K. So we'll do that. We'll say Y, which is 12, equals K times 10. Divide by 10. K is 1.2. Now we have Y equals kx. Now we have an incomplete piece of information. We're going to find what Y is. Y equals 1.2 times 32. And somebody tell me what that is. So Y equals 38.4. When you do an inverse variation, set it up like you're doing a direct variation, but before you cross multiply, flip the second guy upside down. So you'll have 38 over 76 equals Y over 100, and that is 3,800 equals 76Y. And when you divide that by 76, what do you get? So Y equals 50. Everybody see that? The other way is to use this. So this is what to find the K, you use the complete set of information, which is right there, right? So you have 100 equals K over 38. So K is 3,800. And now we say Y equals 3,800 over X, right? So Y equals 3,800 over 76. Y equals 50. It takes Miller 4 hours to shovel the driveway. It takes James 6 hours. How long will it take them working together? I say, well, Miller is going to do 1/4 of the driveway in an hour.
That's how I was thinking.
And James is going to do 1/6 the driveway in an hour. So in an hour, how much of the driveway are they going to do? Go ahead and do 1/4 plus 1/6.
This was how I...
So they'll do 5/12 of the driveway in an hour. In order to find how much they'll get the whole thing done, turn him upside down. 12/5. So what is that? 2.5 hours. Very good, Miller.
I said about 2.5.
Yeah, it's 2.4. Sorry.
Still 2.5.